Yes, yes, I am able to see your screen.
Yeah, yeah. So this is a file management module PPT. This is a some table of content. Wait a minute. 11 type of content. First of all, the introduction part.
Okay, sir.
So the FMTS module is used to track the file that are being the processed within the university or HEIs. It works on role-based access control mechanism.
Okay, sir.
Before using this file management module, the first of all you have just add in the prerequisites like employee and admin user ID and password and
Yes,
FFname role to be mapped and university
okay,
file details also.
okay,
User roles. First user role is file management admin. This is
okay,
the administrative post have assigned this role. The employee who have managed all the file of the universities.
okay,
Second is the file management department role. Same as well as the administrative post or employee post.
okay,
Allot to the employee who have managed the all files or for department wise.
okay, sir.
Third is the file management admin view role. Same as well, the administrative post you have assigned this role. This is allotted to like HODs and view track all the files and university or HAIs.
Okay.
This is a use case diagram like a file management departments and file management admin view role and file management admin role.
Can you
Admin
please
is,
keep it in the presentation mode, sir?
yeah, ma'am.
Can you please keep the slide in the presentation mode so I can
Slide,
view?
ma'am. Oh, okay, wait a minute. This one is
Yes,
okay, ma'am.
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
So can we please record this section?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I am recording this session, and after the completing this meeting, we have also shared the recording.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So this is the role of file management admin. The file management admin overall access and configuration the settings. And
Mm,
left side is like a file management department, like
okay,
this one. So this is department is like a add, update files, view files, and forward and receive returns files is department wise. Also the whenever department have created the file, there is also the lock and close the file. Okay, and
okay,
then the print report, generate the fetch reports and advance search and export the data. The department wise, only the department view role is like a khali view files and then file history and print report, generate reports, advancers and export data. And admin is the overall access and
okay.
configuration the all settings. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt here, sir. I have a doubt. So, if we have a file like creating a file for something regarding recruitment or something,
Any user
yeah,
your file create, like employee or a department, yes, yes.
yes, and it needs to be get signed by the director and the registrar. Can we get the e-signature of for this file, sir?
Abhi ma'am, this time is not available in e-signature, but the e-signature point is working on the team. Okay.
Okay,
In like 3 or 4 months after, you have also the visibility in e-signature.
okay. So it's
Okay.
just this
Right
management
now,
system.
just you have
We
the
can
like
manage the yeah.
yeah, yeah. Right now is you have like a physical copy, and you have मतलब physical copy you have filled the data. No? Right now you have used the physical copy, na your universities,
Yes,
institutes.
yes,
Na?
yes.
So then you have filled the detail and signature on it. Then it's scanned. Then I upload the document.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Physical copy, we have to scan it and upload it here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, the uploading option is also available.
Okay. And we
Right.
can generate the file. We can generate a format and where we can.
Generate the file means मतलब did print
It's
report.
like if it is like, yeah, print kind of.
Yeah, yeah,
If
ma'am. You have
I'm
also
generating the
is
appointment order, if I
yeah,
just
yeah.
if we maintain a template where if we give the provided basic details, will it generate a file?
Ma'am, like you have one example, you have just employee or department, you have just creating the file, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
After then creating the file, you have you want the example, your first user have created the file, then first user is forward the second user for
Mm-hmm.
higher authority in the approval. Then
Okay.
after that, then approval, then have first user have mentioned it the comment, मतलब showing the comment the second user, and you have also the print report file, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is option is also available, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Good. Fine.
And then this is a dashboard. Like a dashboard is an overview, like a file type, file status, department-wise files, total inactive files, and total active files are visible in the dashboard and also the visible in the graphs.
Mm.
Same like a functional description is the configuration, the setting. and manage the files. Your right side is screen also visible. Like manage the files, incoming files, print report, file history report, advances, export the data. This is the visible in the functional description.
Okay.
This is the file management admin has configuration the all settings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Diary number generation. The file management admin can configure the automated diary number generation. Diary number generation means that you have how many times your file is forwarded the another user, like a second user, third user, fourth user. Whenever any user have file received, same file and received, then the many times your diary number is different. Like a first user to second to forward the user file, so diary number is one. Then second user forward the file, third user, so diary number is two. So how many times one file here, how many times your one file is forwarded to the many users, like 20 users, 30 users. So your diary number is like a counting is the file number.
Diary number.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Also, second point is the volume number. You can add the volume number by clicking add new volume number. Like if, by default, I'm adding the V1 to V15 volume number. Volume number is like example you have how many if, one file you have volumes like a one, two, three, four, you have five files. But one file is same, but you have five files mentioned. This is the volume number.
Okay.
Okay. The file manager department role. There is a configure the system and you display only the name of the user within the file management department role whenever you file the forward or display the name of the users. You have also option active or inactive.
Okay. So,
This is the ma'am, absolutely, ma'am. So this is the after the manage the file like a create file. The right
okay.
side is option filling like file types, file number, diary number,
Mhm.
description. Allow the receiver to forward the file or yes or no. Visible all comment, all the user yes or no. File
Okay.
attached and also one feature is also added like a confidential file yes or no.
Okay.
The
Okay.
after
If it is a
completing,
confidential file, will it
yeah, when
generate a
whenever
password?
no, ma'am. Example, you have confidential file is yes mentioned in this or whenever you file created,
Mhm.
whenever your file you have forwarded, so you have mentioned is red color bold letter. This is a confidential file. Be carefully used.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
the like this like comment has visible in this file. Okay. After that, this is a complete the creating file. So this option are visible is
Mhm.
manage files like a recent activities is left side.
Mhm.
Log the file also feature is visible. Or close the file when those have initiate the file is also the close the file. If you by default you have a wrongly file created, also the delete the file.
Okay.
Update the file details. Print full report. How many users have a comment mentioned and approve the authority? The print full report have detail also available and view file information also.
Only the admin can delete the files, right? No other else can have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
privilege
Yes, ma'am.
to delete. So only the
Delete
admin
file,
can.
delete,
Yeah.
no, delete file is whenever those have file created.
Okay.
So this is this type, this delete option is whenever just file created, not any user forwarded, just created the
Okay.
file. This time have user have checked it. Oh, this is the mistakenly have wrongly file created. So have also the delete and also the update the file. Whenever user is forward the file in second user, do not delete and any update.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now for creating the file, that is a file types, file number. File number is also option is you have automatically and manually. If you have setting admin configuration, they automatically. So automatically file number you have generation. If you want, you have clear, mention the file number here manually. You have also the option is manually file number have added. Okay. The third one is diary number description, file forwarded by receiver, or is the file confidential or not? Also option available.
Okay.
This is the like creating a part file. Whenever file create is another option. Second option is also add the part file. Okay,
Okay.
same file.
So it's like uh, subsets of the main file.
Yeah, ma'am. You have yes.
Okay.
To manage the part file, you have after the clicking the part file, there these
Mhm.
options below is the mention like a file allowed to forward the while the receiver yes, and is
Mhm.
the file is confidential yes and no. And this is also the update the part file. Any upload document required, you have also the upload the document. If you want this particular part file, you have any user send it. Also option you have send this particular part file in the forward. Okay, only part file, not over whole file. And
Okay.
also option, if you by default have created, the delete option is also visible. This is the forwarding part file. After the ninja of before down option is like a administrative post or employee who have forwarded the file and guest users. Three types of user you have forwarded the file. Sender designation, received or designation, required information, and priority. Priority means, ma'am, example you have by default I am setting the priority really high, medium, low. So high means yani, if you day set like 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days. After 3 days, if you have the receiver, the file is not any action created and not open. So automatically after 3 days, send the mail. You have registered on the administrative account mail ID. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
No. Yeah, this is the print report also option is all files detailed report downloaded. Department wise is the department wise downloaded. Or if you have admin, admin is the overall file have data downloaded. And also the file history check, the who's the file manage or comment the mention, and also the date wise file history visible. This is the report. Many option is the report you have downloaded, like a file reference number, organized and unit wise. If you have diary number, file status, you have also the many options you have download the report. And after the reporting downloaded, like fetch details, so you have option the PDF, Excel file, and CSV file.
Okay.
Export the data. Advanced search option also. User wise, you have downloaded the file. Export data. This is like if manage the file data option and an Excel format. Forwarding file forwarding data in option Excel format. This is the activity diagram and admin access, and this is the administrator and employee options. So this is a complete PPT of the file management module. Now we are going to the demo portal.
Okay, sir.
So this is a demo button login, and you're just clicking on the governance module. And first
Okay.
of all, we are going to the file management setting. So these settings, like 9 settings, they configure the admin,
Okay, sir.
file management admin. You have role assigned the user. First of all, file type, like which file type have used your institution, like recruitment, academic, purchase, legal file, communication. So you have also the add the file type. Just clicking on the file type.
Okay.
Two types of file: open files like recruitment, academic examination, legal, yeah, finance. This is the open files. Close files means like an envelope. This is a your envelope file you have received or you have forwarded. This is the close file you have mentioned as a envelope, like example. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mostly is the open file.
Yes.
99% is the open
Yes.
file. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
uh, Now same as well title. Just like recruitment, academic examination, finance, legal. Just short code. Same you have mentioned in the letter. The first letter or second letter you have mentioned the short code. Yeah, any short code you have entered it.
Okay.
Description also active or inactive. So this type have file type you have added. Okay. Now
Okay,
we
sir.
are going again the setting. This is the file type. Second is the file diary number generation.
Okay.
So this is the option of the diary number generation automatically yes or no. If you
Mm-hmm.
have you change the status, wait a minute.
So this diary number generation is
Diary
for
number generation
the
is how
reference
many,
purpose. Uh,
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, how many times you have file forwarded the any other user. So whenever you have 40 users, you have forwarded the file. So you have 1 to 40 have diary number generation created. And diary number is the also option is the like a first is the globally, getting commonly used diary number. Or second one is you have department wise, like a chemistry department. So you have diary number is CHE slash and any variable and slash, then after 001. If you like a bio department, you have mentioned is the bio slash zero any variable then slash 001. Yeah? This is the department wise. Both option are visible globally or department wise.
yeah.
I think it's setting. So if you have a diary number automatically status if yes, so you have upload the globally template and click on it.
Globally template is
Globally
for.
template means diary number generation you have added. Oh, wait a second. Global template means मतलब how many you type the diary number generation. Whenever if you have a diary number generation is no, so whenever any user file created, so diary number is manually typing.
Okay.
Like any diary number, like example academic file. So user have created the academic slash zero any ABCD slash as then after that 001. So this is the manually typing. Globally template here एक one time tablet you have set, so automatically globally you have diary number है generated like starting letter like example you have triple IT Kurnool institution. So mention is like a triple IT Kurnool any slash variable then
It
001
started.
002 006.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like a template, but I
Okay.
think demo portal is not proper one. So same as well. This is a globally template use. I think this time demo portal any issue. Mhm. And this is the diary number have a globally, and this is the diary number generation is department wise. By default is global. If you have changed stated OU wise, so you have any department have different diary number have you generated according to department wise. I think this is not demo portal is proper wording. This is meaning that is okay, ma'am. Ma'am, just not is the setting is not proper working. I think any update the demo portal. I think the team
Okay.
is updating the demo portal. So just this is a role of this diary number generation. Now third one is the ma'am volume number. Same as well volume. How many your volume is your file? So your volume one, volume two, volume three, volume four. If you want, you have any volume number you have added. So you have just as well added like a batch file. I think you have volume number. You have also the add the volume number. But then whenever file you have created, the volume number is not a mandatory field. If you required, you have add the volume number. Okay. File management department role setting. So by default is inactive. Active. Those you have role assigned is the file management department role. Only you user have forwarded to the this particular user. If you want, you have employee also forwarded the file. You employee user here forwarded the file, so you have just inactive. So then the administrative and those have your assigned the role file management department role and employee also you have forward user have forwarded the file.
So if we want to forward to just like a view option, so how would
No,
what?
ma'am, not a view. The view option is a file management department view role assigned particular user.
Okay, if we I
Yeah.
want to forward a file to a particular employee, but it has to be on only view mode. So what role I have to assign to them?
Yeah, ma'am. You have file management department view role.
A file management department view.
Department view role. Huh, ma'am. I am
Sure.
showing you. Just wait a minute. Yeah. This is the roles. This is the role. So these type of role, like file management admin is overall access and configuration the setting.
Okay.
File management admin view role, those only view the file, not any मतलब, any setting or any update or any action is not required. Only view the file. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
sir.
Our file
And
management department. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
file receiver.
हाँ मैम फाइल this is the file receiver. The user only file receive and store your data मतलब example like you just received and check it, that's it, not any forwarded or any action required.
Okay.
Okay, so file receiver roles means यानी particularly your file receiver role यानी you have just file forwarded तो receiver have only check the data and that's say मतलब that's the store in the this user. And
Okay.
admin view means overall all files. Yeah, example you have 20 200 departments and 200 department files are created. So admin view like a your this role is assigned like a HODs or
Mm.
D or higher or authority registrar. You
Director
have
of okay.
yeah ma'am. This is the view file. कि how many user have मतलब how many user like a forward file or comment the file. So
Okay.
director या any HOD action on this file, you are not any forward the file or not comment the file. So you have mentioned like a mail or any call. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So these four type of roles. Now we are again going to the setting. So this is the department. If you want
Yes.
department wise, you have active. If you wise the department and also the employee, you have forward the file. So you have inactive the file management department role setting. Paging lesson like example, you have how many files have view in one page, like 20, 30, 40. You have also the added the count. Okay, ma'am. File number setting. Also, the file number is automatic. If you want file number automatically configure, so you have active. If you want the file number you are manually feeding whenever file you have created, so you have inactive. Now
Okay.
the allow manual file number is override. Yani if you the file number you have allowed the manually, then this is the override the file. So it's active or inactive option also. Now this feature is like I think latest updated.
Okay.
Whenever you are using like a testing your demo, then
Mm-hmm.
you have any issues. Do you have also the call or mail also? What the meaning of this or any issue have in whenever file you have created? This first of all, you're testing in demo portal. Huh?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
also the sharing the credential, the demo portal.
Okay, sir.
Priority setting, yes, priority setting. I am also the sharing in the PPT like high, medium, low, lowest. Like reminder in 1 day, medium is 2 days,
So reminder will
low
send out on a mail.
day wise. Day wise. Automatically, those user have forwarded the file and the user is not any action in one
Okay.
day, 2 days. So automatically reminder mail have sent the this particular user. You have already in the base model configured the mail ID. Then the user have checked, oh, I am not action in this file. So then again, the user have logged in the our portal and then action are required. Okay, ma'am. So just day
Okay.
wise, you have many more you have priority mentioned and not a form. This is a this is a demonstration purpose. If you
Yes.
want any another priority name, you have just add the priority file, priority name, how many days and active. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Then now the this is the general setting. Then clicking the general setting of three type of setting. Then whenever receiver can add the part file, whenever you have user forward the second user. So second user have add the part file or not. Here yes or no option also available. Forwarded return only when physical document is received. Whenever you have forward or return only when physical document receive option, you have yes or no. By default is yes. Forward to only one user. Example, you have just file created and you have sent the second user. The second user is only one user have forwarded bus, not a multiple. Because of whenever initiator file creating, the multiple user have forward option, but second user also option. But if you are clicking on the yes, so second user only forward the one user file. Okay, ma'am. Now, this is the performance setting. Performance setting means like a template. If you want, whenever you have file creating, I'm just showing the file Excel. Wait a minute. Hmm, wait a minute. My second. How do you- Hmm. Proper way. That is proper way. File. Now going to the government. This is the complete. So whenever you have just file creating and you file. So this is the performer. So by default, you have performer, you have added the in admin configuration setting like NOC visa for passport. Just clicking on this. So automatically, just take format, any letterhead here, paste it automatically. Not any you have letterhead set or any copy and paste. So you have just admin setting, configuration, performer setting, add the performer, any performer. First of all, mention the title name is active. So this name wise have user have just showing this is the for performer is related to my file. Just clicking on the add new file and select the performer. This one is added. So automatically template is pasted. Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm audible. Hello.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Right now,
Sorry,
I'm
sorry.
audible. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, some issues with that.
Okay. So, ma'am, this is the performer means like any user have
It's a
file
template.
created. Yeah,
Yeah,
done. Okay, okay, okay. So just added. Now this is the dashboard. So first of all, this is the admin dashboard. So the admin is the overall file visible.
yes, sir.
All files like total files, inactive files. Also, the whenever you click this inactive file, the option the go to the index page also. Okay,
Okay,
then
sir.
check it also. Inactive files. This is a my files overview. Like how many forwarded the files. This and this is the admin account. This is the overall forwarded the file visible. New files, log files, unlock files. How many close files? How many close file and reopen files?
Okay,
Capital Nima, not capital Nimans. Nimans is like a hold files.
okay,
This is a file type distribution, also the graph and chart, also visible, the file status chart wise.
okay,
This is the how many incoming files, like total incoming files, incoming file received and pending for actions and opens the file with users. Incoming file overview like pending files, open files, response the files and return files and forward from the yeah here and total incoming files. So this is the
okay.
admin view. Now we are going to the my files. Just
Mhm.
clicking on the my files, like clicking on the admin file. I am just showing the how to create the file. So this is the file type. I'm by default I am already added. Okay. Just clicking on the file type. File number mode. Yeah, this feature is latest updated like last week. Automatic system generated or manually existing all file.
Okay,
No, any other university has requested कि some files have automatically and some file is manually. So these feature have added. If you want the manually, so you have manually file number. If you have automatic, you have automatically file number generated. The file number is not visible. So automatically file number have generated.
okay, sir.
Now the file title, I mention it. Any file name.
For automatic file numbers, do we have any like base format where we can give the triple ITDM as the initial
Yeah,
number?
yeah. Then you have a manually.
Okay, no, so
Yeah. In example,
okay.
you have
Mm.
well IT. Okay. So
Oh,
this is the file number. Have you have manually. Okay.
okay,
Here also the shortcode. Example A, B, C, and
yes,
one,
yes.
two, three. So this is the file number. Then after that, have 001, 002, 003 have file number have generated. Okay.
Okay,
File title. File title in sent on mail. Example, and whenever you file forward and then receiver have sending the mail. So this is the file title mentioned in the mail subject. Okay, ma'am.
okay, sir.
File name or received from yeah, example. These user have created in the file. If you have
Mm.
also the same the file name like a sent on mail. If you want the username also mention the received from. Where is the received from? So also the mention the username our. Okay,
Okay,
performer is same also and also the brief. Allow the receiver to forward the file. Example, whenever your file forward to second
okay,
user, so second user have allow the receiver forward file yes or no. Example, by default is yes. If you want the no, so you have also mention no. File confidential. This is a yes and no. Right now I'm just yes. Visible all response to all user or not. Example, you have first this user have forwarded the second user forwarded the third user. But
okay,
if you select the no, so third user only comment visible on the second user, not first user. Okay.
okay,
If you yes, so all comment visible the all users. Four,
okay,
three, six, then one to six, yeah, fifth,
okay,
you have sixth user visible the comment. Same as a volume file. If you want required volume file added, you add. If you not want, also the blank. This is not a mandatory field.
okay,
Here,
sir.
whichever you are created, those have not a red star, here not a mandatory field. Okay, man.
Okay, sir.
Digital file. Two files, the working institution or universities. Like first, it's an example, is a physical file. Whenever your file of paper received, you have signature, and
Mm.
then
You wanted to meet it.
forward the second user for approval authority, then
Mm.
second user to final authority. So this is the physical file. If you want not physical file, use the digital file, just clicking on the yes. And also the upload the digital file option is also available.
Oh,
You have just scan the copy and upload, then forward the user, then automatically user check it, is the okay, then comment mention, then have
okay,
comment back. Okay,
yes, sir.
ma'am.
So
Both.
if like, can I see a file
Yes, ma'am.
and like if at the point of receiver side, is it
Yeah.
possible to showcase this?
Nee, point of receiver side.
Like
Ma'am, again.
how the receiver will receive the file and how to open it? Can you show
Yeah,
me?
yeah, ma'am. I'm just showing this is the two types of. If you want the no digital file, whenever you forward this particular file in second user, so receiver is option top right side corner, the physical copy received or not. If the physical file. Of example, you have just forwarded the today is your file forwarded the second user, but the physical copy is not received today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow received. So then physical user, second user have click on the physical copy. Then after day after tomorrow, date mention and time mention. Then have accept the file. Then read it and detail it. Then comment it. If you receive mention is the digital file, just clicking on the digital, not any physical copy you forward the particular user, then digital file you have just forwarded. The user have opened the document and check it. Okay, you have read the details and approve or not and mention the comment. Okay, ma'am.
Got it.
This is the digital file. Like a example, just I'm added the name. Second. We have also option file attach or not. Clicking on it. Yes, I'm showing the first of all physical copy.
Okay, sir.
Just save it. So now this type of file you have just created, not any forwarded. So whenever you just initiator have created the file, the delete option and update option is also available.
Okay,
If
sir.
the user forward the file, is both option is not available. Okay.
Okay.
Print full report. These type of print full report have initiator. Okay. Abhi not any forwarded any, so this is the not any detail forwarding details in down. Just detail also. Merge file means, ma'am, example, you have any file. These files have related. Just select the file number and save it. So both file have merged this file. Okay, just clicking on the save it. So also option, this is the merge file. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Example,
Mhm.
these file and these file is related to both. So you have also the merge the file. Update file is like example update. Delete means by default you have created the delete the file. And initiator is also option log the file.
Okay.
Example, initiator of file creating and forward the second user. By default, you have reminded, oh, the file is not approve any user या any wrongly file. Just clicking on the log the file. Whenever user log the file, so not any action required the second user. They also already forwarded the second user. Okay, ma'am. And after that, here unlock the file. Then second user here action the this particular file. Those users have forwarded the file. Close the file means all over file second, third, fourth user have forwarded. Then after that comment and close. Now the this initiator can finally close the file. Yes, and save it. So this is the user have comment deleted and close the file. If you after 1 day, 2 days, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, reminded again the open the file. The also option the reopen the file. Just clicking on the yes and reopen the file. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Same Captain Libyan means like a same as well. This is a file hold
Yes.
because of the user I required option the Captain Libyan. So is the not any action.
Mhm.
Just Captain Libyans. After you have not Captain Libyans, then clicking on. Then after that user have any forward or any second user have action required. View comment history. This is the overall comment history visible. Now right now I'm not forward the file, so it's not comment history visible. Recent activities also visible कि how many file have open, close, any users. You have forwarded the users or initiator. So left side have recent activity also visible. This is the
Okay.
file details and also the file attached here. Then now this is the add part file also option initiator. Click on the add part file, then select the file type, file number also mentioned. Because of I am selecting the file number manually, so it's the file number visible, it's automatically, so the file number is not visible. Same as the description, file forwarded by the receiver. If the receiver does forward the file or not, file configuration yes, no, year of creation. Also the add the part file.
Okay.
Now the this is a like option administrative employee and affiliated users. Now this is the I am clicking on the administrative. Send the registration. The three letters you have typed. Mm, mm, ah. So I am just this type of multiple user have you have assigned this file. Multiple user you have assigned. 10 user, 20 user, any user. If you want the one user, you just select the one user. Any comment, you mention the comment if you required. Same as well, priority and this priority. If you have any upload, another upload required, you have also uploaded. If you not required, not uploaded, just click on the send button. Now the also the recent activity have visible. The forward successfully to Prashant Kumar. Okay, the recent
Okay.
activity also visible, and also the visible this particular user send the file like this is the initiator Hemant Singh and
Oh.
which post and send to designation.
Mm-hmm.
Employee account not. This is the administrative account. Forwarded affiliated user not.
Mm-hmm.
Which date? Any comment and priority level. And if you have any upload, and I am not uploading any document, so this is a blank. Return is after that is return upload option. Physical copy received not could be because first time you have copy forwarded received or after that the second user have action the file then you have detail mentioned in this column. Response status not initiated. Not initiated means the second user forwarded the file, but second user is not any open the file and not any action. Okay, revoke and undo. Okay, ma'am. Now we open the second user account, so we will check it. Just
Okay.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm just password. Password. Yeah, ma'am. So this is the file, ma'am. We have showing it 24th Feb. File initiator. And also, ma'am, the this is the file number. I am all manually typing triple IIT Kurnool slash ABC slash 123 received by Prashant Kumar. This is the comment. Comment also visible. Description. Physical copy received no priority high and date file draft. Now we am generating the diary number. Just clicking on the this type of button. I think so. Diary number has generated. So that's it, diary number. I'm showing the diary number. So this is the diary number. Test OU1 11002. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Now clicking on the second user have opened the I button and open the file. Now I am the when I am creating the file, the physical copy option is yes. So this user which time which date you have physical copy received, just clicking on the physical copy. Now
Okay.
clicking on the yes. Which date? If you example, not today, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, just clicking on the date and time also, and then click on the save. So this is the physical copy have received. Okay. And also the this user print the this file. So the second user, this type of print detail have printed. Okay.
Okay.
And now this user have all received for Hemant Singh test. That's it. Then any another user is not visible because the one file have user forwarded. So, yeah.
Even the attachment will get printed, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Also, ma'am. You're just clicking on this. So I'm just image added. So this image is visible. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am. You got a password changed. Just wait a minute. So now the accept the physical copy. So is second is also option. Like ma'am, forward the file and return the file. Return file means if a file is not properly or wrongly received, yeah, wrongly means incorrect file. We have also return the file and select the user which have received. So only this time and only one user have forwarded this particular user. So the only one user received. If the many users have forwarded that, so also the all users have mentioned the name, then select the user and also the mention the priority level and response and return the file. If you have any upload, you have uploaded and then send it the return the file.
Mhm.
If the file is okay, the user have checked it and also the this image in also the visible. They check it, they okay the file. Also the this status open, required information in the comment. You also detail the visible. Okay. This is the diary number. Okay, ma'am. File number is also the visible in top of the reference number. This is the reference number.
Mhm.
File draft on date and time and last update on date and time also visible. This is the merge file. I'm added the merge file. Merge file is also visible this user. If you have user have action required, so just mention in the comment. If your user have not action required in the forward the next authority, you have just mentioned the administrative, clicking on this, forward the file, select the post and mention the user, which user have forward the file. Then just clicking on the which user just selected, response, and any private comment. This private comment only visible in the when which user have forwarded the file only.
Yeah.
But response is visible because I'm clicking on the yes response in the overall responses. Comment and visible. Any upload and send it. If this user is the higher authority, check the details and now the response this file like approve.
Mhm.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So now this user is like a higher authority. This is the final authority. Just approved, then close. So this side, the file is closed. Okay.
Mhm.
Then now we initiator just check it. Just refresh the button. So also the initiator, the file closed by successfully Prashant Kumar. This is
Mhm.
also the visible and physical copy. Which time and date physical copy received accepted.
Okay.
Which time open the file. Also the name and department and date. Okay, ma'am. So
Mhm.
then this user have mentioned. Now comment has visible uh, this type. Yeah.
Yes.
Physical copy received. Yes. Date. Now response is approved. Okay. Responded. Now this user have also the close the file. Just
Mhm.
clicking on the close button. The option yes. Any documents your maximum size file upload. When creating the uploading time and closing the time, just 10 MB is the maximum file size. Okay, ma'am. And
Okay.
in PDF or also just clicking the save file. Now this file is closed. So
Okay.
this is the complete process. Or not a complete. No, this is a file process, incoming and forward the file. And
Mhm.
the incoming file means which user have forwarded this particular user. So this incoming file received and diary number generated, then open the file. Return files means those initiator have created the file. So obviously, ma'am, the second user have forwarded the return file is initiator option. So the return file option is visible.
Okay.
Report and advanced search option same as well. I am also present in the demo portal like
Mhm.
reference number or file type or organization unit wise. Okay. If you advanced search, so like a diary number generation, user wise. So these features are latest updated. So you have also the user wise have diary number generation.
Okay.
Name. Just select the username and you have like example.
Yes.
Just clicking on this and fetch the detail. So this detail also visible is particular user wise. Also the copy, CSV and PDF download. Okay.
Okay. So
Exact. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
for including the e-signature, do we need to send any request, sir? Because that
Yeah,
will
yeah, ma'am. You
have.
just, ma'am, sending the mail. So you have required the e-signature. So just
Yes.
send. But
Because.
right now, the team is working last 2 months.
Okay.
Already two, three universities or institutions they have
Mm.
e-signature required, or not
Yes.
a one e-signature. It is required the like 5 to 8, 10 users e-signature. Like a
Yes.
first, yeah, second, third. Huh? Yeah,
Yes.
this is a team working.
Okay.
So some waiting. Some wait that time and we will update the now the also the upload update the list module also like you have using ma'am e-file Is the
Not,
government e-file portal?
no, sir.
No, no,
Again.
e-office, e-file, e-office. This is the same as well, e-office, but just like much more is better than this e-office. We are working on team.
Okay.
Whenever the our higher authority is approved, then
Mm-hmm.
also the update this model.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
will also send
So
a
I think,
official request
yeah,
from our
the
side.
also, this those you have e-signature option is also visible on this updated the module.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma'am. And now, right now, this is the export the data, manage file data, or forward file data. You also the same as well, CSV, Excel file downloaded. Any file tracking, you have also the file reference number. Just clicking and check the which file have already received or any department. You just check it. This is the progress report. Total files, the progress report, and also the view timeline. And view timeline is also the comment visible like this. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
In delay, how many the 24 hours delay file and 48 hours. So also the visual, like the since last forward file, the days is also visible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And also the forward status. This is the progress report. So ma'am, this is the complete PPT. Oh, demonstration. And we are just first of all, you are testing the demo portal and also sharing in the mail demo credential. Then you have
Okay.
just testing
Okay,
and
sir.
check it. If any other issue, you just
Yeah.
sending in the mail.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Then
Yeah,
you have
definitely.
after the complete the demo and you are just testing in the live portal also. And after that, I'm sending this mail and also sharing the sign off sheet. You have complete the file module. Then you have fill the sign off sheet detail and share it also in same email. Okay, ma'am.
Sure, sir. Definitely, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Or any other query, ma'am?
No, sir. We'll do a
Test, just
our part.
demo and testing. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. And we'll let you know if we have any queries or further part. And we
Okay.
also send a official request for including e-signature.
E-signature. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No issue, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oh,
just you have complete the name or designation in chat box. These teams.
okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Name is enough, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Only name is enough, right?
Name and designation, ma'am. Which designation have your institution? Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for the
Oh,
session.
okay. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.